Dear audience, sometimes it happens that you open an application and it does not launch properly, or sometimes it does not respond. Especially in the case of Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019, it often happens in Windows 11. Likewise, I'm going to show you the demo of this problem. I have clicked on in Start and tried to open the app Adobe Premiere Pro, but it did not respond. Let's make another try. I again tried to open, and I clicked to open the app, and you see still there is no response. So let's make another try. Now I'm trying to open it from its installation folder directly from the executable app through double clicking its exe file, but still the result is the same. So what we can do in this sort of situation, that is very simple. We can handle this situation through the task manager dialog box. So open your task manager, so you can see in the upper portion there are the apps that are now currently running, and the lower portion is the apps that are running in the background and that are not visible. One of them is also the Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. It's running in the background and we can't see its visibility because this is not its front end is not visible, and it is also not being shown in the running apps. So what we will do then, we will simply try to end this application by clicking on the end task. Now close the task manager, and now again let's try to open the Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019, and hopefully it works now, and here we go. So this is the very simple way through which we can open any application that is not responding initially.